first featured cheese today is going to be our Point Reyes Toma truffle cheese. This is a favorite. It is fragrant and delicious. We get this wheel and we use it on our boards. We also use it on our grazing tables and within our boxes. Toma truffle, it's a cow's milk cheese. All right, next we have our Midnight Moon. This is made by Cypress Grove. This is arguably my favorite cheese that we offer. This is a goat's milk cheese, and it is featured in our boards, our boxes, and on all of our grazing tables. Last but not least, we have our Manchego. This is a 12-month aged sheep milk cheese. This is a popular choice as well. It is featured in our boards, boxes, as well as our charcuterie cups. Next, all right, next we have our Midnight Moon. It's by Cypress Grove, another fan favorite. Oh my God. The whole table. Come on.